When you're selling trucks at a Ford retailer, it's a little bit easier because we have the backing of the best-selling pickup truck for close to 50 years, the Ford F-Series. But a company like Ram, they want to be number one and they're trying very hard. That's why the 2019 Ram, by many automotive journalists, was considered the best pickup truck for 2019 model year. Don't take my word for it, do some research yourself. Hi, this is Joe from Way Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2019 Ram Rebel. Well, let's dive in. And no, I'm not being a rebel working at a Ford retailer saying I like Rams better. We have a love for all vehicles. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and we have a very big pre-owned business, and that includes selling pre-owned pickup trucks from all different makes and models. And the Rams sell quite well. The Ram gets high marks for its fit and finish, its styling. They absolutely love the interior. The automotive press gushes over the interior. One of my favorite automotive publications was Car and Driver magazine. For 2019, they gave the Ram the Editor's Choice Award, and it was nominated to the annual top 10 best list, saying it's the best pickup truck, and they have a CD rating, 1 out of 10 to 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 being the best. It got a 10 out of 10, which you don't see all the time. And after driving it, experiencing it, it's not hard to understand why. Well, if it's restyling, it's a little bit different. It kind of moved a little bit away from its kind of semi-truck inspired looks. It still has a twinge of that, but definitely it's evolving. I think it looks really nice. A fan favorite of Ram pickup truck buyers is the 5.7 liter HEMI V8. This pumps out close to 400 horsepower. Sounds absolutely amazing and very reliable. I've seen older versions of the Ram. They've been putting Hemis in these Rams for like 20 years. I've seen older versions with like 200,000 miles still running strong. These engines are fantastic, powerful, and very reliable. Another change we saw for 2019, if we look here, we don't see any leaf springs. It has a coil-spring rear suspension, which is a little bit more sophisticated, giving it better ride and handling, while still maintaining amazing payload capability. These have a very good rating as far as towing goes as well. When properly equipped, you can tow up to 12,700 pounds. This one has the nice bed step, making it a little easier to get in and out of the bed. This thing's pretty high up off the ground. Got a tow package on this one. Nice dual acting exhaust for a little bit more of an aggressive look. We have a hard tonneau cover. Trucks used to be simpler 30, 40 years ago, but now they've turned into high-end luxury family haulers with 4 doors, spacious interiors. These aren't the old 2-door regular cab pickup trucks that I was used to in the 80s when I was a kid. Now, I mean, they're absolutely beautiful and just as luxurious as like luxury cars. Look at all this space. I have plenty of legroom. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. Got plenty of legroom, like limo-like legroom. Lots of headroom, a very comfortable place to be. We got a rear power outlet, just like in your house, a 110 power outlet, USB, USB-C. And of course, one of the most comfortable places to be is in the front seat. And one of the most fun is the driver's seat. Even though it's a big pickup truck with 400 horsepower, this thing is very fun to drive. Sounds amazing. This one has 88,000 miles on it, but man, it looks and drives like it has half that many miles. Plenty of storage. Everywhere you look, there's storage. We have a big screen, almost like it was borrowed out of a Tesla for the infotainment system. This gets very high marks. They absolutely love the Uconnect infotainment system, heated seats, rear parking camera, heated steering wheel. We're pretty close to the rear door in the photo booth. It's just giving us a little warning there. I love the accents, the red accents in the steering wheel. Inline gauges left and right. Nice digital gauge cluster in the middle where you can pick and choose the different information. Nice sounding Alpine audio system, power rear slider. I can go on and on. Thanks for joining me on this walk around video of this nice 2019 Ram Rebel. If you're in the market for a pickup truck and for whatever reason you don't like the best pickup truck out there, the Ford F-Series, well, also take a look at the Ram. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.